now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a
The everyday air fry oven from Weester. Featuring 7 preset cooking functions from air fry, toast, bake, roast, broil, defrost, convection broil and grill. 4 retro knobs let you conveniently adjust time, temp, cooking function and toast time. Comes in silver or grey, 19 quart or 24 quart. Also comes with a dip tray, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket and an oven gripper, which I think is really handy. Link is below if you're interested. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. The holidays are coming. It's that time of year and I love it. And Thanksgiving's coming here in America. This air fryer, I like the retro look of it, the retro style. There's no electronics, it's just dials. Old school, I quite like it, but I want to see how it performs. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some Thanksgiving leftover turkey, stuffing, dressing. I'm going to make a quiche, a simple quiche. I'm just going to pretend because Thanksgiving's not happened yet, it's in 4 days. But I've made some stuffing. Some dressing, and I've got some turkey, just store-bought turkey. So we're just going to pretend. Right, so there's my stuffing, and it smells amazing. Right, we're going to make shortcrust pastry. Very, very simple. You don't have to do this. You can go out and get a store-bought pie crust. Nothing wrong with that at all. But it's going to taste 10 times better if you actually make it yourself. And it's simple. I'm going to show you. Right, so what do we need? We need flour. I like to keep, when I'm doing shortcrust pastry, I like to keep everything cold. So we've got cold flour, cold unsalted butter, and cold water. Right, so first add your flour straight in. I'm using a food processor, but you can use a bowl by hand. Next add your chilled butter. After that, some salt. Lid on. And now we just want to blitz this up for about 30 seconds. Right, that's like fine breadcrumbs, so that's good. Now, just add a little bit of water to the mix, because you want it to be like a cookie dough consistency. So just add a little bit of cold water, and then we'll blitz it. Jeez Louise, look at that. Come on, Stevie boy. Right, I'm just gonna have my mix. And blitz again. Yeah, that's nice. It's like, it just comes together. It's like cookie dough. That's what you want. So add a little bit of flour to your work surface. Take out your dough. Right, now we're just going to bring this all together for about a minute. That's it. How easy was that? That took literally from start to finish 3 minutes, not even that. Let's wrap it. Right, this goes in the fridge for 20-30 minutes. Very important to let this relax. Right, while that's relaxing, let's make the quiche mix. So first, add your eggs to the bowl. Right, let's grab a whisk. Add my half and half. Right, mix well. Make sure all them eggs are mixed in. Got some turkey that I just want to roughly chop. Then add all that to my bowl. So add your turkey to the mix, get that in, and your stuffing. Man, it does smell of Thanksgiving. It smells of Christmas, Thanksgiving. Just give that a light mix. Okay, my pastry's relaxed, so I just want a light dusting of flour. Add my dough, add a little bit of flour to my rolling pin, and roll it thin. Right, that's where I want it. So now I'm gonna use a quiche tin, pie tin. So spray your tin. So carefully just add your dough to the tin, or you can use a rolling pin, and then just slice a bit off. And then just pat it around to get it all nice and flat. I want to carefully add the foil. I'm just going to use dried beans, but you can use rice. I'm just going to blind bake this. Right, I've got it on the bake preset. I'm going to put it around about 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Wow, little TikTok, very retro, love it. Right, now take off the foil. And we're going to put it back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes just to get it nice and golden brown, lightly golden brown. That smells amazing. Wow. Oh, that's so crispy, beautiful. Why not? I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley to the mix. Get my parsley in. And then just give that a nice mix. And at the end, some cheddar cheese. Get that on. I love eating these little extra flaky bits. Buttery, you just can't beat it. Let's just go for this quiche. What can I say? It's delicious. It's a great way of using Thanksgiving leftovers. If you've got some spare turkey stuffing, which you'll probably have spare turkey, bung it in a quiche. Make a fresh quiche. It's amazing. You won't be disappointed, I'm telling you. All right, guys, I am done. Have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.